Come here. Come here. If you happy when you know it, clap your hands. Tooks, tooks. Say hello. Hello. Holiday. What are you doing on holiday? Hello. Are you cleaning up? Huh? Are you cleaning up yourself? Say hello, mommy. Huh? Talk to mommy. Come on. Say hello. Hello. Hala. 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 It, huh? Look. See? Did you eat the plant again? La. See? It's hard. Baby? You okay? Next time, don't eat the plant there, okay? Oh, look. Holiday is sleeping. Holiday is on the floor. What are you doing in there? Do you wanna kiss mommy? Huh? Why you always with mommy? Huh? You love mommy? Do you love mommy on holiday? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. He kissing mommy again. You love mommy? Talk to mommy. Huh? I don't understand you. What you gonna say? Huh? You talking to mommy? What you say? What did you say, baby ko? Chow, 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 yeah?
Check it out. You guys see that smoke? It's kind of like Grandma's campsite. What else could it be? Maybe it's the natives sparking up a barbecue, getting ready to... We'll only find out.
Whoa, time out! Look, I hope your grandfather's okay.
Kukudulo, 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 ang kukudulo ang baby ko. Kukudulo. Oh, listen up. Tickle, tickle now. Holiday. You like it? Okay. Wow, mommy, I like it, mommy. I feel better, huh? Look what you're doing, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay, that's enough. Is enough? More? Okay. Ah, peekaboo. Ah, peekaboo. Ah. Talk, 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 talk. If you're happy when you know it, clap your hands, toots, toots. If you're happy when you know it, if you're happy when you know it. Mir, you wanna try the banana? Here's the banana. If like that, he don't like to eat. He get mad. Here, come here. Uh-oh. He don't like banana. You don't like banana. Here. Uh-oh. Oh, you like rice only? Move in here. Come here to mommy. Come on. that? Ta-na-na, ta-na-na, ta-na-na. He's not hungry. Even though you're eating, you're singing. Look at your mouth. You have rice in there. Come to mommy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. Come here. Come here. Move this side. Uh-oh. Later, going outside. After 3 days, ito na yung ating better melon tea. Papaya leaves. Gonna make a tea. Holiday, you scared that bird? Holiday sleeping. Look, see? Did you eat the plant again? La. See, it's hard. Maybe. You okay? Next time, don't eat the plant there, okay? Oh, look. Still with Holiday outside. Say hello, Holiday. How are you?